Going with the Fram. It's the PH3614. And I'm doing the Royal Purple 5W30. It's a full synthetic blend 5W30. And I think I've mentioned that I've got the Canon, and there it is. It's a mess. By my standards, I usually like to keep this stuff kind of clean, very clean. And there's an ice cream truck, so I'm gonna go get some ice cream. Plug right there. That plug right there is, and it looks like it's got a leak. Okay, yes, definitely a minor leak around that.
Wow, that was extremely loose. I was not even put any pressure on that thing. That is not cool. I'm gonna put my oil on. Alright, so this thing is just done. Drink fast.
That is not a good color. Okay, let's turn that off. So, I did not expect that to come out of my truck. Feels grainy. You guys can see clear as day, that is brown. It is the same color on this phone as it is from what I'm seeing. Like, I'm gonna zoom in for you. That is just brown. Alright, so it's not my coolant, because I just checked it. It looks good. It's good color. That is not rust at all. It's a really good color, actually. So I'm looking at it, just checking for any issues. And I know there was a washer on here. A metal washer. I need to find that. I think it's in this bowl of mud. I've never changed the oil in my truck. I need to find out who that was.
Because, not only was the plug loose, the plug was loose and also...
I gave them Royal Purple when I got this thing tuned up. Filter. You see a little bit of moisture, a little bit wet underneath. Taking this filter off, it's loose. So whoever tightened it on did not tighten it all the way. Well, I don't like to let people do my work. I search my own stuff.
Make some good money on that. So probably sell for 56 bucks. So I always top off my filter before putting it on, because it gets rid of the negative pressure whenever you start your car. Better for the filter. Then it will soak up and then you won't have any spillage whenever you go to put it on. It's pretty much already. Like, I topped it all the way off and it's already soaked in to the point that's not coming out. So I can actually turn that completely sideways and not get any oil coming out. Pull this thing all the way off the O-ring, because you see how some spots are dry. Well, you can see that. Do that. With fresh oil. That's going to help you with the seal. Yep. Before you put the filter back on, because the spots that you won't be able to reach. And then I'll stick my hand through the side over here, and it will well. So I'll just hand it off to myself up there, so you can see. And when you hand tight, you don't want to over tighten it. But whoever did it before, you're not going to tie it off. So that's going to be good. And the filter down there.
Alright, so I got all the oil put back into the truck. to check the level. It's like right at the bottom line. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. That looks better to me.
Yeah, that's right in the center. It's perfect. That's all I can see.
All right, so I gotta put this pan back underneath the truck and the other one. So I'm not gonna show that. I'm just gonna get that back done, but we get that stuff back on. So that's how to change the oil on a Toyota Tacoma. I'm glad I changed it because I realized it was looking really bad. So I'm gonna have to do an update in the next few weeks or in a month or so. I'm gonna be checking it periodically to see how it's looking, what it feels like. But it looked really bad, and so I'm gonna put those pans back on, start it up, and back up out of here, and then pick up the oil and dispose of it. I'll put the old oil into those, and then you can take them to like an auto parts place and just recycle it. They pour it into a big, it's like a 500-gallon drum that they have in every AutoZone. So if you go there, you just take your old oil and dump it. I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff with my Tacoma, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I do with it. I still wanna do tinted windows, and there's quite a few projects that I wanna get done with that thing. But here's a sneak peek of my garage renovation or remodel, you might say. I've got a lot of plans for this little area, and I'm trying to create a man cave. It's gotta be in my garage because my house is not big enough. So yeah, here's a little peek.